Hello everyone. Welcome to class 10th maths. This is the book which I am following, and today we are going to start, according to your request, which I must say, chapter mensuration. As you must have seen the reduced syllabus of ICSE this year. Now, earlier we used to have three solid shapes: cylinder, cone, and one more was there, sphere. But now only cylinder and cone surface area and volume we are supposed to study. Sphere has been omitted for this year also. So let us start with the surface area and volume of cylinder today. Okay, so let's get started. So while starting the solid shaped cylinder, we must discuss the formulas first of all. So right now, as you can see, here is a cylinder. CSA, or the full form is curved surface area of a cylinder whose radius is r and height is h. Curved surface area means only this round portion's area which has been shaded. The area is 2 pi r h, curved surface area of a cylinder. Then total surface area, we generally denote it as TSA. Total surface area means the round area of the curved portion as well as top and the bottom. As you can see, top is a circle on a cylinder top and bottom is also a circle. So therefore we add the area of two circles. Area of circle is pi r square, and since top and bottom complete total surface area we are talking about, so 2 pi r square. Ultimately if we take 2 pi r common, we are left with h plus r. So the formula of total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r. So these two formulas we need to follow for curved and total surface area. Next is volume. Volume means how much liquid a cylinder can hold, or in other words I should say the capacity of a container is the volume of that container. Now volume is pi r square h. In all the cases r is the radius of either top or bottom and height is this. Then we have hollow cylinder, that means a cylinder with some thickness. So here we have a cylinder whose outer external radius is this and internal radius is this. This is the height. Hollow cylinder क्या होता है? A cylinder which is empty from inside, अंदर से खाली होता है. That is known as hollow cylinder. So here we have external curved surface area of this hollow figure, external CSA. CSA is actually 2 pi r h. So in this case external radius is capital R, so 2 pi r h. Internal CSA will be same, 2 pi but small r h. Total surface area. Now here we need to work a little bit. Suppose it's a glass with some thickness here. So this is the portion of glass and it is empty from inside. So you have to imagine such figure in your mind, or you can actually take an object of a mug or anything whose outer radius and inner radius is different. अब आपको क्या इमेजिन करना है, दैट यू हैव अ पेंट ब्रश इन योर हैंड. आपके हाथ में एक पेंट ब्रश है और आपको इस पूरे फिगर को पेंट करना है. सबसे पहले आउटर फिगर पर पेंट होगा, दैट इज़ एक्सटर्नल CSA. दिस पोर्शन यहाँ पर पेंट करेंगे. देन इंटरनल कर्व्ड पोर्शन में पेंट होगा, दैट इज़ इंटरनल कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. Then we are going to paint the top and the bottom, and top and bottom are two rings. So area of two rings, rings का area क्या होगा, outer circle minus inner circle, which is actually 2 pi r square minus r square. 2 means first this ring and then second ring. So this is the final total surface area. And last, the volume of material used in it. Suppose अगर ये iron का बना है, what amount of iron is used in the making of this? That is the volume of material. That is clearly we will find the total volume, that is external volume minus internal volume. Or if I want to find the capacity of this container, capacity का मतलब ये कितना पानी होल्ड कर सकता है, कितना फ्लूइड इट कैन होल्ड. इन दैट केस वी विल ओनली फाइंड द इंटरनल सरफेस एरिया. पानी यहाँ पर तो भरेंगे नहीं, ये तो मग का पोर्शन है, सो पानी इतने ही पोर्शन में भरा जाएगा. सो इन द केस ऑफ कैपेसिटी ऑफ द कंटेनर हम हमेशा वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करते हैं. एंड व्हेन दे से फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द मटेरियल यूज्ड, तब हम ये फाइंड करेंगे इन केस ऑफ हॉलो. So these are the formulas in which these are the majorly used formulas. So let's get started with some easy questions, then we will move to the next level of questions. So the first question, height of a circular cylinder is 20. The moment you read any information, you better note down. Radius of the base, if this is a cylinder, radius of the base is given 7. Find the volume and total surface area. So clearly we will apply the formula. Volume is pi r square h, and the total surface area of the figure is 2 pi r h plus r. You have to remember the formula. Now until it is given in the question to take pi as 3.14, we are not going to use it. जब तक दिया नहीं होगा कि हमें पाई की वैल्यू कौन से यूज़ करनी है, we will always use 22/7. ओनली अगर क्वेश्चन में कुछ और वैल्यू मेंशन होगी तभी हम उस वैल्यू को लेंगे, अदरवाइज 22/7 into h. And here if we substitute 2 into pi into r multiplied by h plus r, so 20 plus 7. Now is just simple calculation. So these are the answers. What is must is the unit of volume and total surface area. Volume, the units were in centimeter, so unit volume is centimeter cube, and the volume of total surface area or any type of surface area is that unit square. Let's move to next. The question is, the inner radius of a pipe is 2.1 centimeter. Inner radius, since thickness is not given, so both are same. How much water can 12 meter of this pipe? So 12 meter is going to be the height. How much water can this pipe hold? As you can see, the units are not same, so we need to convert. R is 2.1 centimeter and h is 12 meter, which is 1200 centimeter. Now how much water it can hold means we need to find the capacity of the pipe. So capacity is directly related to volume, like I said, pi r square h. 22/7, 2.1 into 2.1 into h, 1200. Decimals remove as quickly as possible because that's the most easiest way of solving. Simplification and calculation totally on you. Must do it yourself, not with a calculator. And so the answer is coming 16632, and what is must is the unit centimeter cube for the volume. Now next question is, How much cubic meters? The very first hint is given in the first line. Cubic meters is the unit of volume. Second, how much volume of earth must be dug? Dug means खोदना. अर्थ को कितना खोदना पड़ेगा? How much volume? This is the, let us say this is the surface level, ground level. How much it has to be dug inside so as to make a 28 meter deep? Depth of that well is 28 meter and the diameter is 2.8. So the radius is 1.4 meter. How much volume of the earth must be dug? कितना खोदना पड़ेगा? So clearly volume of the earth dug will be volume formula pi r square h, 22 upon 7, 1.4 into 1.4 into h, 28. Make sure the units should be same. Let's solve it, and after the calculations it is 172.48 with its unit meter cube. One more part is given, one part is finished here. Also find the cost of plastering its inner surface. Inner surface कौन सा होगा? जहाँ पर plaster करना है, this area. So actually if we talk about the curved surface area only, so curved surface area is 2 pi RH, 2 into value of pi into r into h. After solving we will get 246.4 meter square, unit of surface area. Now we need to find the cost finally. How much is the cost? So first of all, the rate of plastering is given as rupees 4.5 per meter square. So the cost of plastering 246.4 meter square will be 4.5 into 246.4, and when we multiply we will get the answer in rupees, because now this is the cost, 1108.80. that is going to be the final answer, and answer of first part will be this. Next question is, a metal pipe has a bore, means inner diameter is 5, so inner radius 2.5 meter. Okay, so this is a pipe. The pipe is 5 mm thick. The thickness is given in millimeters. This is 5 mm thick. Thickness 5 mm and no unit is in millimeters, so we will convert it in centimeters as 1 by 2 centimeter. How to convert it? By dividing it by 10. So 1 by 2 centimeters or 0.5 centimeter is the thickness. So when internal radius, let us denote by small r, and so the external radius will be 2.5 plus the thickness is going to be 3 centimeter. Outer radius कैसे आता है? Inner radius plus this thickness. So this is what we have done. Outer radius, sorry, outer one is this, and this is inner radius. Now let us read it further. We have done with the radius. Metal pipe has inner diameter, pipe thickness all around. Find the weight in kilograms of 2 meters of the pipe. So the length is given as 2 meters. 2 meters of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of the metal weighs 7.7 grams. So we have to deal with the volume right now to find the weight of the pipe. Like I told you, if we need to find the material used, the volume of material we need to find, volume of metal. So for that, volume will be our external volume minus internal volume. External volume is pi r square h with external radius. Internal volume is with internal radius. Since pi and h are common, why to calculate them again? So pi 22/7, h is 2. Wait, this is in meters, so we have to convert it. So height will be 2 meters, which is 200 centimeters. So take it 200 centimeters. Radius, external is 3 square, internal is 2.5 square. Now let us solve this. 22/7 into 200, this is 9 minus 6.25, and subtraction will be 2.75 into 200 into 22/7. Immediately remove the decimal, cancel. So after solving this all, we are getting 1728.57, and since all units converted into centimeters, so the final unit of volume will be centimeter cube. Now let us see what was the question again. Find the weight in kilograms. We have found the weight in centimeter cube. Conversion also they have given that 1 centimeter cube is equals to 7.7 grams. So these many centimeters cube will be 1728.57. Centimeter cube will be 1728.57 into 7.7. Answer will be in grams. So after multiplying this, we will get 13309.989 grams. And so many grams are there, so we will finally convert them into kilograms by dividing by 1000. 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So therefore here we have 13.31 kg approx. Or you may leave your answer in grams also, there is no problem. But क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में स्पेशली मेंशन किया गया है that you have to leave your answer in kilograms, so better this step if you may do it. Okay, so these are the next two questions. Actually this one is quite simple. Let's see. A cylindrical container with internal radius of base 10, cylindrical container. I suggest you also to draw a rough diagram. It is very helpful, बहुत काम आता है for the visuals. Contains water up to a height of 7 centimeter. इस कंटेनर में वाटर है अप टू अ हाइट ऑफ 7 सेंटीमीटर ओनली. इतना ही वाटर है, पूरा कंटेनर फिल्ड अप नहीं है. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द वेट सरफेस. वेट मतलब गीला सरफेस कितना होगा. वेरी सिंपल, जितने एरिया में पानी है उतना ही एरिया गीला होगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस कर्व्ड सरफेस शुड बी वेट एज वेल एज द एरिया ऑफ बेस इज गोइंग टू बी वेट. सो वेट सरफेस कितना होगा, द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया प्लस एरिया ऑफ बेस. सिंपल. कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया वी नो बाय द फॉर्मूला 2 pi RH. एरिया ऑफ बेस, बेस इज सर्कुलर, सो pi r स्क्वायर एरिया ऑफ सर्कल. इतना ही पोर्शन वेट होगा, ऊपर पानी है नहीं तो ऊपर तो गीला होगा नहीं. 2 pi r, what is r given as 10 and height as 7 plus pi r square, so 10 square. So let's say take few things common for easy calculations. We can take from both the brackets pi, we can take common. R also is common one time, so here we are left with 2 into 7 plus 10. So let's solve this. And so the final answer is 754.28, which is actually 754.3. And we have found the area, so the unit is centimeter square. Next, find the total surface area of an open pipe. External diameter, internal diameter and the length. All the dimensions are given. We have to just apply the formula. So it is already given. Small r 3 because diameter is 6 and external diameter is 20. So capital R, this is 10. Small r 3 centimeter, capital R 10 centimeter. Length of the pipe, that is height of the cylinder, is 50 centimeter. All units are same. Now we need to find the total surface area. They have mentioned it quite clearly. The total surface area is internal curved surface area plus external curved surface area plus area of rings, area of 2 rings. So let us solve all these three separately to avoid any type of confusion. First, let us solve internal curved surface area, which is 2 into pi into small r into h, 50. Solving, we will do it all together. Then external CSA, 2 into pi into capital R, 10 into h. Now the area of 2 rings. So ring area is 2 times, because 2 rings, pi r square minus r square. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into capital R 10 square minus 3 square. So we will find all three, add them up, we will get our final answer. So one by one, let's do it. You also take a pause from the video and start solving on your own. So these are the calculations which I have done. You may check your answer from here. Internal, external and the rings area added all together, this is the final total surface area of the pipe. And in this total surface area we have internal curved, external curved and the shaded portions of top and bottom. So that's it for today. Now I may post some questions afterwards. Till then you may keep trying surface area of cylinder. Also you may post your doubts in the comments. Thank you. And also if you like the content which I share, please do like, subscribe and share with your friends so that everyone could get it. सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें. Thank you.